Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Abro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add friends on Spotify 2024. So to add friends on Spotify, just launch your Spotify app at first. Now after launching your Spotify app, there are two ways to add friends. The first one is just click your top left profile icon, and here you can see view profile. Click on it. Now after clicking on view profile, click on this three dot icon beside edit, and the first option here is you can see find friends. Click on it. Now after clicking find friends, here you can see you can connect your Facebook. If you connect it with Facebook, all of your friends who use Facebook and connect it to you and also use Spotify will be appear here. So guys, for the second step, just go back, and in the bottom here you can see there is a search bar. Click on search, and in the top search bar just click on it, and you can just search for any name, just like I'm searching for Jack. And there are so many artists here. If you scroll here like this, and you will see a option which is profiles, the last option. Click on it, and all of the Jack profiles are here. Just click on a profile who you want to be friend with, just like I'm clicking on this, and after that you can just friend him by clicking on following. If he follows you back, then you can become his friend. So guys, that's how you can add friends on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.